Okay, so let's look at two more examples. These are the last two examples in your notebook. This is number 5, and then we're going to look at number 6 in a second. It introduces negatives, which is, no big deal. We've dealt with negatives a lot, so I don't get too worried about negatives. But if I look at this, I am multiplying a negative 5a squared b, okay, times this binomial. This is a binomial. It's divided by a plus sign, so this is two terms inside, so that's a binomial. So we're going to multiply these things together. So I need to multiply this whole term times this first term. So I'm going to look at a negative 5 times 3, and I get negative 15. Okay, now look at my a's. A to the second, a to the fourth gives me a to the sixth. B to the first, b to the third, b to the fourth. You multiply the next one. Did you get negative 30? Negative 5 and 6 is negative 30. A to the second is a to the fourth, and b to the first, b to the third is b to the fourth. Sweet. Now, I can't add them together. Doesn't work. Can't combine them because I have a6, a4 over here, so they don't go together. Now, somebody's going to ask me, well, Mrs. Johnson, can I just not have that plus sign and just put a minus sign? Sure. Means the same thing. Yep, add the opposite, negative sign, same exact thing. Last example. Okay, once again, now we're taking a monomial times a trinomial. Sweet. Okay, so we're going to multiply this guy first. In fact, you know what? I'm going to give you a minute. You do this one on your own. Let's check it back in about 30 seconds. Okay, how'd you do? So I'm going to take a negative 5. There's a 1 in front. If there's nothing there, we assume it's a 1. Y to the third, y to the second gives me y to the fifth. Negative times a positive is a negative. 5 times 6 is 30. Y to the third, y to the first is y to the fourth. Sweet. Negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 8 is 40. Y to the third. Awesome. Done. Dealin'. Okay, I think you should be good. Try for tomorrow. Here's your homework assignment for tomorrow, 1 through 12, 26 through 43. And then tomorrow, we're going to look at what happens if we multiply two binomials together.